Next problem is to find the nth derivative of y equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Now we have the function y equal to cos x. So let me take cos 2x and cos 3x together. So this is in the form cos a, cos b. Now cos a, cos b is 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b varum. So that will be equal to cos x into 1 by 2 varum cos a plus b. So that is cos 5x plus cos a minus b. So cos minus x will come. So that is equal to cos x. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos x plus cos x into cos 5x plus cos square x. Now cos x into cos 5x again use this result. So that will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 cos 6x plus cos 4x varum, and 1 by 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x5. So we get 1 by 4 cos 6x plus 1 by 4 cos 4x plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cos 2x. So let us take the nth derivative now. So nth derivative of 1 by 4 cos 6x will be 1 by 4 6 raised to n cos 6x plus n pi by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 4 raised to n cos 4x plus n pi by 2, then 1 by 4 into 2 raised to n cos 2x plus n pi by 2. So that is the required nth derivative. This problem is if y equal to sin ax plus cos ax, then prove that yn is equal to a raised to n root of 1 plus minus 1 whole raised to n sin 2ax. Now we have y equal to sin ax plus cos ax. We need to find out the expression for yn. So from here the nth derivative will be a raised to n sin ax plus n pi by 2 varum plus a raised to n cos ax plus n pi by 2. Now this can be written as an. So here we need to bring the square root. So this can be written as root of sin ax plus n pi by 2 plus cos ax plus n pi by 2 whole square mera. Now this will be equal to a raised to n root of, so when you take the square you will get 1 plus 2 sin ax plus n pi by 2 cos ax plus n pi by 2. Okay. Now 2 sin a cos a എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be equal to sin 2a. So you will get root of 1 plus sin 2ax plus n pi. And now we use the expansion of sin a plus b. So sin a plus b എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So that will be a raised to n root of 1 plus sin 2ax into cos n pi. ഇനി അടുത്ത ടേം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് sin n pi into sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. അപ്പോൾ sin n pi വരും. ഇനി sin n pi is equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ടേം 0 ആവും. and cos n pi എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be equal to -1 power n. So that will give us the required value. ഇപ്പോൾ cos n pi replace ചെയ്യുക. So that will give, so therefore yn is equal to a raised to n root of 1 plus -1 whole power n sine 2ax. So that is the required value. See an example where you have product of exponential and trigonometric function. So നമ്മൾ y equal to e raised to ax sine bx plus c എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ we have seen that the nth derivative yn is r raised to n e raised to ax sine bx plus c plus n phi, where r is root of a square plus b square and phi is tan inverse of b by a. അതുപോലെ if y is equal to e raised to ax cos bx plus c, then yn is again r raised to n e raised to ax cos bx plus c plus n phi ആണ് വരിക. Where r is root of again a square plus b square and phi is tan inverse of b by a. So let us see the nth derivative when you have function in this form. So find the nth derivative of y equal to, so let us look at e raised to ax cos square x sin x. So first let us simplify cos square x sin x. Now cos square x will become 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into sin x. So we will get sin x by 2 plus sin x cos 2x by 2. Now sin a cos b will be equal to 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay. So here you will get 1 by 4 varum sin 3x plus sin a minus b is here sin a minus b എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ x minus 2x വരും. ഇപ്പോൾ sin of minus x, so that will be minus sin x. Okay, so you have sin x by 2 minus sin x by 4, അപ്പോൾ again sin x by 4 വരും plus sin 3x by 4. So that is the value of cos square x into sin x. So therefore y equal to e raised to ax cos square x sin x will be equal to e raised to ax, okay, 1 by 4 e raised to ax sin x plus 1 by 4 e raised to ax sin 3x. So therefore let us take the nth derivative now. So the nth derivative will be 1 by 4, so you will get r raised to n e raised to ax sin x plus n 5 varum plus 1 by 4 r raised to n e raised to ax sin 3x plus n 5. And okay, so here let me write as r1 and phi1, ഇവിടെ r2 and phi2, കാരണം രണ്ടിലും ആറും ഫൈയും വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട്. സോ r1 will be root of ഇവിടെ a square plus 1 വരും, r2 will be root of a square plus 9 വരും, then phi1 will be tan inverse of 1 by a varum, and phi 2 will be tan inverse of 1 by, okay, sorry, it will be tan inverse of 3 by a varum. So therefore now yn will be equal to 1 by 4. അപ്പോൾ r1 raised to n, so that is a square. So we'll get a square plus 1 whole raised to n by 2, then e raised to x sine x plus n tan inverse of 1 by a varum plus 1 by 4 a square plus 9 whole raised to n by 2 e raised to x sine 3x plus n tan inverse of 3 by. So that is the required nth derivative of the given function. Using this result, also please work out these two problems. So find nth derivative of, first one is e raised to ax cos square bx, and second one is e raised to x cos x cos dx. So ഇവിടെ e raised to x into, this is in the form cos a cos b, അപ്പോൾ 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b ഫോം വരും. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടും e raised to x cos x ടൈപ്പ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ e raised to ax, so this is 1 plus cos 2bx by 2 വരും. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം e raised to ax by 2, then e raised to ax cos 2bx by 2. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേമിൽ e raised to axന്റെ nth ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്, ഇവിടെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഫോം ആയിരിക്കും. So please complete these two